Transform your weight loss journey with Mitolyn. Tired of endless diets and workouts that don't work? Meet Mitolyn, the weight loss supplement making waves. Packed with healthy, natural ingredients, it's designed to help you shed those extra pounds while boosting your energy levels. Let's dive in and see what makes Mitolyn special. Mitolyn isn't just another supplement. It's crafted with a blend of safe, high-quality ingredients to promote weight loss and overall wellness. Plus, it's backed by real people who've noticed life-changing results. Stick around to hear what they have to say. From increased confidence to fitting into old clothes, customers love Mitolyn. One user shares, "I finally feel like myself again." Another says, "It's the extra push I needed, and it works." Ready to experience results like these? Keep watching. Your transformation starts now. Click below to learn more about Mitolyn and explore real customer recommendations. Take the first step toward a healthier, happier you. Don't wait. Your success story is just a click away.
Hello, how are you all doing? Welcome to this video. First of all, I'm happy that you're here. I know you are having a difficult time with your bodies. You probably wake up every day and you look at yourselves in the mirror and you wonder, why are you overweight and why your body is not helping you to, burn down those fats. People do so much to burn down fats. People work out like crazy every day. People do crazy old diets and they starve and then they're moody and grumpy. People get depressed because of their weight too. So I know that being overweight is something that's not happy. It's something that's not healthy. And that's why today I'm actually here to help you. I do want to talk to you about your mitochondria function, which I will explain to you what it is in just a few seconds. And the supplement is actually Mitolyn. Mitolyn has been changing the lives of so many men and women because it targets your mitochondria. And you don't have to be waking up every morning now thinking about, oh, I'm just going to wear the same old baggy clothes I usually wear, You can finally start to go out to a shopping mall and purchase beautiful clothes that you are going to fit into. And Mitolyn is going to help you get there. So if you are interested in Mitolyn, I will be leaving their official webpage in the description box of this video, just down here. Guys, just remember, it's really important that you get Mitolyn only on their official webpage, okay? Today, the internet is just loaded with so many things that we have to be careful. I know this is their official webpage. You make a safe purchase there. And also, if you need a refund, that's where you go back to, okay? But it's like this, guys. You don't have to worry about being overweight anymore because Mitolyn is here and it's going to help you because it has 6 clinically proven natural ingredients that target your mitochondria function. If you have absolutely no idea what your mitochondria function is, this is actually, your mitochondria are tiny parts found inside your cells, and they make energy from the foods we eat. And they also help our bodies to burn down fats that are stored. So you get it. If your mitochondria levels are really, really low, you are storing the foods you eat, you are not burning them, and you have absolutely no energy. So you feel tired all the time, right? Now, the great thing about Mitolyn is that it's got rhodiola rosea, maqui berry, amla, chisandra, astaxanthin, theobroma cacao. All of these 6 ingredients help you to increase your mitochondria function, meaning your body is having all the fuel it needs, it's giving you energy, it's giving you proactiveness and disposition, and your metabolism is boosted a lot quicker. Like it's pumped up, and it's targeting all the fat stores around your bodies, from your visceral fats to your localized fats to your stubborn fats. And day by day, you are losing weight. But, the cool thing about Mitolyn is that it is here to help you lose weight, and it does just that wonderfully. But at the same time, they thought about maintaining your overall health. So ingredients like chisandra, for example, it helps you purify your liver. It helps you maintain the health of your liver, and that takes care of your skin. So you get like rejuvenated skin that has elasticity and beauty to it. Ingredients like theobroma cacao. It's aphrodisiac, but it also helps you to control your blood pressure. Maqui berry is fantastic for your heart, and it balances out your cholesterol levels. Amla supports your vision and your digestion. So, you're losing weight, guys, and you're becoming healthy. And that's the fantastic thing about Mitolyn. Naturalness, no GMOs, no side effects, no contraindications. FDA approved in a GMP certified facility. So all you got to do is just take your treatment very seriously. Use it every day, a capsule with a huge glass of water for 3 or 6 months. And hey, if you don't like it, there's a 90-day money-back guarantee waiting for you on their official webpage, okay? So I hope I helped you out. I hope you give Mitolyn a shot. You're not going to regret it. And I'll see you guys next time, okay? Bye.